Now there is a word called organic traffic here, which means because the search engine is a product which works based on the input given by the people and information is delivered to the people for free, where neither the person who creates the content and posts spends money, nor the person who looks at the content spends money. So both of them get this content for free. So when we take advantage of the features of search engine, we call it as a search engine optimization. At the same time, when people come to our website, because they come to the website without spending any huge money, this traffic is called organic traffic, which means natural traffic. We don't need to pay money to somebody to get the traffic. Traffic means visitors. Okay, organic traffic. Organic traffic, the natural traffic. You don't need to drive people to come to a particular location by giving them incentives, money, food, snacks and all. Okay. If you tell them that there is an event going to happen like this, thousands of people will automatically come and gather there. Now that is called organic traffic. Then we don't need to spend money. By creating content in the text, image and video format and posting it regularly on search engine platforms and also on social media platforms, people explore about your product or services naturally, and that is called organic traffic. Okay, so this term was a part of the particular content, so I had an opportunity to explain about that. Okay. So in order to do the text-based content writing procedure, the first step towards creating the content is doing a research. Research means gathering data, analyzing them, and based on some data, coming out with the actionable business decisions. When I try to write a content about a particular topic, I need to decide why should I have to write a content on this topic? What are all these supporting factors? I can write a topic or I can write a content on any topic, but I should have data supporting my research and coming out with a decision to choose why to use this title, this topic as a content inside my website. Now that process we call this as a keyword research. It's almost like a funnel or a filter where we gather more data, and with some information that we have, we reduce the data little bit and come out with the conclusion that I am going to take this particular word as a keyword to write a content on. Okay, so what we do here, we start by identifying relevant keywords and phrases that potential visitors might use to find your content. See, this term seems very complicated, but the logic is very simple. We have to create and publish a content related to our business. Simple. Not irrelevant content. So that when people look for that information, they will explore and they will come to your website. That is very simple. For example, I want to have some group of ants coming into a particular location. If I put some sweet around, after 10 minutes, I could see lots of herds and herds of ants coming and eating that. Correct? Now, when I have a information that is useful for a visitor, so when they search, they will come to my website. That is the logic. Okay. So, in order to use all this, we use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and also discover popular keywords in your niche. Super. The word niche means topic. Okay. Now, let me explain in detail about what this product of keyword research are. Okay. So, researching and doing some input. Okay. As I've already said, what is a keyword? Keyword is a word that acts as a key for search engines to display the relevant information to you. A keyword is of different types. For example, one word keyword. Okay, single word. For example, as I said, pen drive. Single word keyword. Two words keyword. For example, buy pen drive. Three words keyword. Okay, buy pen drive online. Okay, four words keyword. Again, buy pen drive online. Or I can add some brands like HP. And all other keywords that are longer than 4 words are called long tail keywords. See, these keywords are classified based on the length of the words used by the users and also the intention. For example, best pen drive to buy online from, let me say, India or in India. Okay, less than 1000 INR. Now, if you see, the word pen drive is a single word, the word buy pen drive is a double word, buy pen drive online is a 3-word question, 3-word query, 4 words, and a long tail keyword. So, when people search online, they search with different types of choices, and what we need to understand is one observation from all this data: the shorter the keyword is more competitive to rank and broader in nature. So if you have any questions on this particular point, please do ask me, because it is very, very important with respect to SEO and content creation. Okay, which means the shorter the keyword is more competitive to rank. If I search for, or if I try to rank for the keyword pen drive, there will be lakhs and lakhs of websites that are talking about pen drive. So it will be very competitive for me to compete with those lakhs and lakhs of websites to put my website at the top. Okay, and it is very broader in nature. I speak about pen drive, when I write a content about pen drive, it is a very broader topic. It is not very specific. Am I talking about how to buy a pen drive? Am I talking about how to format a pen drive? Am I talking about how to partition the pen drive? Am I talking about how to troubleshoot the pen drive? Correct? Or how to demolish it, or how to prepare, or how to, gift it, something like that. So, we don't have a clarity on what we are talking about when the keyword is a single word. So, the softer the keyword, it is more competitive to rank and broader in nature. So, in general, whenever we try to create a content, we don't prefer shorter keywords. On the other hand, opposite to this, the longer the keyword is less competitive. So, lesser competitive to rank and very specific in nature. Okay. So, if you understand these two concepts, SEO, search engine optimization procedure, is going to be damn simple. Okay. So, in general, you might have seen in lots of websites, people write a content. Okay. Best washing machine to buy, or best 5 top loading washing machines to buy this Diwali. Right. So, like this, you won't see a content like buy washing machine. You don't see content like best washing machine. You see a content which is framed with a longer choice of words. The reason because the more longer a keyword is, more specific the need of the user is. So lots of people won't compete for it. You can easily rank out of 1000 websites. You can rank with first and second rank websites or any other procedure of the products at the same time. So these are the two things. So with which we can create content and how we come out with the topic to write about it. So I'm going to give you a easy, best, free method to come out with a topic to decide. So number one, I can go to normalgoogle.com and I'm going to feed the keyword like pen drive and I'm going to leave it, and Google is going to suggest me some words related to what I search. And these words that are given at the bottom, pen drive, 128 GB price, 128 GB, 256 GB and all, these are all the replica or the representation of words that are used by the people in the industry to look for what they want. Which means people are looking about pen drive price. People are looking information about pen drive 128 GB price. People are looking for pen drive not detected when they connect on the computer. Right? So let me try to make it very specific. So pen drive not detected and I put a space. Now it says pen drive not detected in mobile, pen drive not detected in Windows 10, pen drive not detected in Windows 7. Great. So let me choose a topic, pen drive not detected in Windows 10. Now if you see, I got a long tail keyword which talks about pen drive not detected in Windows 10. So I can go in the initial space, I can put some space, and I get a complete query which says what to do if my pen drive is not detected in Windows 10. Let me choose this as my topic. That's it. So I gave a small input, a partial input about what I am talking about, and with which, based on the suggestions given by Google, I decided to go with this topic, and that is called what to do if the pen drive is not detected in Windows 10. So what will I do? I will go choose this one as my topic. So I am going to write a content about this particular topic. Okay. How many of you understood how I chose this topic to write a content about? Anyone? Or any doubt you have? I just give the partial input about what I want to discuss, and I take information that is suggested by Google into my content. Okay. Any questions here? Any doubts? No? Okay. If you have, please throw me in a message, or you can text me. Ask me in the live session. Let me check the message if there are any doubts. Okay.